We're Group Cilantro, and my name is Jonathan Nguyen.
Marquez Whiteside.
I'm Gerald Ivory.
I'm Daniel Nowitzki, and this is Fundamentals of Physics, Section 2. Our teacher is Raul Vargas, and our concept of physics is the Doppler effect. We will be conducting 2 experiments, showing a few examples, and talking about how this concept relates to our degree program.
The Doppler effect can be described as increasing or decreasing in frequency of any kind of wave. From the point of the observer, with the source of the wave moving toward or away from the observer. This effect is produced by a moving source of waves, the Doppler effect.
Doppler effect can be observed in any type of wave, microwaves, radio waves, and of course the one we're most familiar with, sound waves.
As Gerald just said, Doppler effect can be observed in everyday life almost every day. When you hear sirens, you hear cars passing by, you hear a plane passing by, you hear a train passing by. Anytime you hear noise and it's moving away or towards you, you're observing the Doppler effect. One of the greatest examples of Doppler effect is Doppler radar. Doppler radar sends out electromagnetic waves that sense atmospheric disturbances by observing change in frequency. Objects moving closer observe a positive change in frequency, and objects moving away from the radar observe a negative change in frequency. This change in frequency allows us to see atmospheric motion. Now we will be conducting an experiment which involves a constant sound being played out of a car's speakers, first starting from the point of the observer and moving away, and then the car with the constant noise passing by the observer and seeing how the sound will be heard. Now we will talk a little bit about how this concept of physics relates to our degree program, which actually happens to be recording arts for all of us. Martez here will explain his theory.
In Pro Tools, you can create the illusion of traveling through space or the rushing of a passing train with the Doppler effect plugin. You can control the frequency, change the speed from the distance of the source, the Doppler effect.
When recording sound in movies or television, we can't always use the sound that would be heard in real life. For example, the sound of a car with a loud exhaust passing by, the real life sound of it wouldn't sound very crisp, wouldn't be very clear, wouldn't be very bassy. So in post-production, we have to go and edit that a little bit, make it more appealing for the audiences. Then there's a bunch of other noises that could be heard during recording, like for example, like a siren passing by accidentally. We have to edit that out. So that's how Doppler effect relates to recording arts.